Hello everybody! Today we're going to be talking about something called quantifying. Say that word with me. Quantifying. That's a really big word. Quantifying is a really big word that means we can count and know how many there is without having to actually count them. We can just look at some things and be able to think of how many there are without having to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to try that today. I'm going to roll some dice and I'm going to show you how I can figure out how many dots there are without counting every dot. Let's begin. All right, I'm going to put this down on my desk here so you can see what I'm doing. All right, now I have this blue dice here and I'm going to roll it. I'm going to roll it. Let's see what we get. Oh, you can't see that. I'm bringing it over here. Now, when I look at this dice, I notice that there are 4 dots on each corner, right? There's 4 corners and a square. And I notice there's a corner in each one. And then there's one more in the middle. And I know that 1 more than 4 is 5. So when I look at this dice, I know there are 5 dots. Let's see if I can find the number 5 over here. Boom! I know there are 5 dots on this dice. All right. Now, I'm going to roll the dice again. Let's see what I get this time. It rolled way over here. Here we go. This one is a little bit more difficult. But I noticed there are 3 dots in this line and 3 dots in that line. And if I put 3 dots and 3 dots together, that means there are 6 dots. Whoops, I better turn that the other way. There are 6 dots on this dice. 6 dots. All right, let's try another one here. Here we go. Roll, 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 roll. Whoa, this one here. This one, I know there's 3 because I can just tell that there's a dot on this side and a dot on this side and 1 dot in the middle. So there's 1 dot on each end and 1 dot in the middle, which means there are 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Like this number here, the number 3. All right, let's roll the dice one more time and see what we get. All right, we're going to practice quantifying again. It's that number that we had earlier. I talked about how I knew on this one. Oh, wait, no, we didn't. We had 5 earlier, but I used the same strategy. On this dice, you'll see that for each corner of the square, there is 1 dot. And I know there are 4 corners on a square. So that means there are 4 dots on this dice. And here is the number 4. All right. So that was what quantifying can look like. Now I'm going to give you a little activity here that you can try quantifying at home